everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a May thrifted clothing haul for you. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go out and actually go thrifting for all these items, but luckily thredUP contacted me and asked to sponsor this video, so I got to do a bunch of thrifting from the comfort of my own couch. If you didn't watch my last video, I mentioned that I broke my foot right here and it's still in a lot of pain, so I can't really shoot where I normally do, and I can't go out and go thrifting for a really long time either because my foot is still really painful. I know a lot of you guys are wondering how I broke it, and it's not a crazy story or anything. Basically, I went to the trampoline park, which I realize now is a very dangerous place because after I broke my foot there, I heard from so many other people how they got injured there as well. So basically, I was jumping on the trampoline, and next to the trampoline, they have these foam dividers, and I thought I was landing on the trampoline part, but I landed on the divider and my foot was not ready to land, and immediately I just collapsed and I could not stand up anymore. After that, we just went back to the hotel, and I honestly just thought my ankle was sprained, so we spent the next couple days there in Palm Springs for the event we were there for, and I didn't get to see a doctor until we went back home. And when I saw my doctor, he was like, "Why didn't you come to me sooner? Like, I can't believe you went 2 days without coming in." And he said that my foot was actually broken. I shattered the talus bone, which is the bone that connects the foot to the leg. So it's kind of important because it's what allows me to move my foot up and down and side to side. So basically, I've just been staying home, laying in bed, keeping my foot elevated. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever broken any bones in your body. This is my first time ever breaking anything, so I would love to hear your stories as well. So I feel like I've shopped on thredUP so many times now that I've become a little better at knowing if something's gonna look good on me or not. I found a couple tank tops on their website, and when shopping for tank tops, I like to buy them in a size bigger because, you know, sometimes when you wash a tank top, it might shrink. So that's my concern when buying a secondhand item, is that if someone washed it and it shrunk, even though the size says medium, it might fit like a small. So I'm a small, but I bought these in a size medium. This one is from American Eagle, and this one is a really cute maroon one from, what is it? From Cape Juby. Another tip if you're shopping for tank tops online is checking to see if the straps are adjustable. I also wanted to let you guys know that thredUP is offering 25% off your first purchase for my subscribers only. Just click the link below and enter the code Coolirpa25. One of my tips is when I see something I like on their website, if you don't add it to your cart, and you just put a heart on it, that doesn't reserve the item for you. So what I like to do is when I see an item I like to add it to my cart, and then by doing that, it stays in my cart for 24 hours, and that means that no one can buy it for that time. So you have 24 hours to decide if you want to buy it or not. Next tops I got are blouses. This one is from H&M, and it's a cute little crossover top, and what really stood out to me are the sleeve, the gathered sleeve right here. Those are so trendy right now, and I really like the ties at the side, so you can really cinch in the waist. This top is from H&M, and I've shopped there enough times to know that it would already fit me. So my next tip is to filter in stores that you already know your size in. This one was more pricey, but I decided to get it because I thought it was a really unique design. I love the ruffle in the back and the ruffles along the bottom and the ombre blue colors. When shopping for blouses, you kind of just have to think about what looks best on your body. For me, I know that blouses with any kind of sleeve detail is gonna look good on my figure because my shoulders are really narrow, so I always like to look for tops with some kind of sleeve. And I can tell online that this one was loose fitted, so I didn't really have to worry about the fit of this. Next, I found a few bottoms on thredUP. I got 2 pairs of shorts. These are Band of Gypsies, and they actually still have the price tag on it. And these are Forever 21. These are the next pair of shorts I got, and I'm not worried about these because they have a drawstring just in case they're too big on me. So that's another detail you can look for when shopping online for flowy shorts. And on their website, they actually told me how much the rise was, so I know that these are going to be a little high-waisted on me. I also really like that these shorts have a lining underneath, so they're not transparent or anything. The next pair of bottoms I found are from American Eagle, and I fell in love with them when I saw them online because of the wide legs. It is my waist size, but the material of this one is really stretchy, so I hope it'll hold up on my waist. Someone actually asked me how to shop for pants online, and what I normally look for is this the rise right here. I don't like pants that are too short, so you can tell when a pants is too short because the zipper is like this big. And with these pants right here, I could probably still wear these with my cast on right now. Here's an example of how I shop for pants on thredUP. First, I filter in my sizes and make sure to give myself options because pant sizes are different everywhere. Next, I can already tell if the pants are going to be low rise or high rise by looking at the picture. I normally wear pants that are mid to high rise, so when I see a pair of pants like this, I know I won't like them already because the zipper looks shorter and there's still a lot of area to cover on top. I also like thredUP for this because I can just scroll down to look at the measurement details in case I'm unsure. Or you can simply filter in what kind of rise or style pants you want, and after doing that, all of the high-rise pants will pop up. But now, since these pants are all high-waisted, that means they need to fit the smallest part of my waist, so I make sure to read the waist measurements in the details first. For example, these yellow pants from Gap look nice, but the waist is 30 inches when I need them to be at least 25 inches if I want them to fit me. The American Eagle pants I got are so comfortable. I actually only buy jeans from American Eagle, so I know how expensive they can be, which is why I'm so happy I scored these for only $16.99. Lastly, this one seems kind of basic, but I chose this strapless bodycon dress that's from H&M. And I like plain, simple bodycon dresses because you can layer things over it. For example, you can layer a tank top over it and have it be a black skirt, or you can wear a pair of pants over it and have it be a black top. Or you can also just wear it on its own as a dress. So there's just so much you can do with a simple bodycon dress, and I recommend everyone to have one of these in your closets. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to thredUP for sponsoring this video. They definitely made my life so much easier by allowing me to thrift from home and still do what I love. Make sure you check out the link down in my description box to see the special offer they have for you on your first order, and I'll see you next time. Bye!